here we are still on Gaither Road, and another truck is stuck out here. All the way up there at the light, that truck is not going anywhere. His tires are spinning. He's in one spot. Oh boy. Can you imagine 10 to 20 more inches of this stuff? Oh yeah, it's coming. Oh, he looks like he wiggled his way out. Oh, let's see what's gonna happen. Uh-oh. Not working. We got this guy standing out here taking the video. Oh man. Let me get a snapshot of him real quick. Let's just get a sneak peek. So this is what is going on Gaither Road. First we had the bus. Now we have this guy stuck over here at this light. And he has no help. Oh boy. And as you can see, the bus is still over there. It's gonna be a fun day to be on this road. Oh yeah. Fun times. Yeah, he is not going anywhere. Ooh. He's trying to back up. Let's see if he can do this. Oh, it's not working. I think we might have to all back up off of this road. That might be the way to go. Once again, this is Kofi K reporting for Kofi K News. Holler.